I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to take a viewer question from Charlie in Newcastle, Delaware. Charlie wrote in and said, why would a court, in a criminal case, why would a court sentence to someone to life plus 100 years? What does that mean? Does it mean that they have to stay in jail for 100 years after they die? The answer to that question is, I've seen that too, not necessarily in Delaware, but in other states. I've seen news reports of people being sentenced to life plus X number of years, life plus 100 years, life plus 50 years, what have you. And I think the reason why you see that is because in many states, a life term in a criminal case does not necessarily mean life. Sometimes when someone is sentenced to a life term, it may mean, presumptively mean 25 years, or it may mean, 25 years to life or something like that. And then the parole board may get a hold of the case after 25 years and have the opportunity to release that person from their life sentence of imprisonment. And so I think that by giving someone life plus 100 years or life plus 50 years, what have you, what the judge is doing is saying that these sentences have to run one after another. That's called consecutive. The sentences have to run consecutive, and so even if a parole board were to say, we're going to give you parole on the life sentence, or even if the life sentence really means 25 years, there's a secondary sentence that's got to run behind it that makes sure that that person never gets out of jail. So that's basically my understanding of what life plus X number of years means. I really appreciate the question, Charlie. If you're watching this video, you have a question for me about the law, criminal law, personal injury law, anything like that, or trial work, jury trial work, please send me an email. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com.